sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
This is Nagma here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great and safe out there. So today's video is all about facial, and I'm gonna use this Flawless Papaya facial kit right here, and I'm gonna open this. So this is the kit, and it has all the instruction back of this box, like 1 2 3 4, and it also got a free detan therapy wipe off mask. And I'm gonna try this right now, and I'll show you the result before and after opening. It looks like this, and you pull it like this. I'm going to use this Flawless Papaya facial kit. It looks promising, so I'm just gonna step is pre-facial prep detan therapy wipe off mask, a wipe off mask that removes all types of tan, bringing back your natural fairness and glow. So this is the detan therapy wipe off mask that clears all kind of tan from the deeper layer of the skin, and is the perfect pre-facial prep that enhance the results of any facial multifold. Nature's detan power stamps of efficiency indicates differentiated formulation that promises transformational results. Easy to use facial kits for a quick facial at home in just 45 minutes. As you can see, I have a lot of acne on my face, and my skin is very sensitive and acne prone. Is pre-facial prep detan therapy wipe off mask, a wipe off mask that removes all type of tan, bringing back your natural fairness and detan cream. So I'm just gonna apply it for about 15 minutes. Sure your hands are clean. So I'm gonna apply all over my face. If you feel like you have tan around your neck, apply it too. I'm gonna take some more. It's not enough. It's a self wipe off mask, so it's, as you can see, it's all the mask is coming off, as you can see. Self wipe off mask, so it's all coming off. You need to massage it for about 15 minutes. Sorry about the background noises. My skin feels really soft, and I can see my skin a little bit whitish. You see the difference before and after. Wash it off with this wet cloth. And the next step is cleanser, a gentle cleansing cream that leaves your skin fresh and supple. So I'm gonna use this. So this is the first step. This cleanse for about 5 minutes. Already cleansed my face, and I'm wiping off everything. The skin feels really soft and fresh skin right now. And the second step is Flawless Papaya Scrub, a gentle through scrub that clear and soothes your skin. So this is the scrub, and it is in gel form, and I'm gonna just put it like this. Scrub all over my face. So you need to massage it for about 5 minutes. A gentle scrub, and it's really good for sensitive skins. Instead of spending a lot of like thousands of rupees in salons, you just buy this kit for about 200 bucks or 300 bucks. You could just try it at home. It's really inexpensive, I'm already seeing the result, so really amazing. With the scrub, and I'm going to wipe it off everything. I'm really loving the result already. The scrub. So in the next step is a Flawless Papaya Massage Cream, a cream that actively works on blemishes, leaving your skin even toned and radiant. So this is the cream. This is the third step, and I'm going to open it. If you are a beginner for the facials at home, it's really helpful for the numbers and all, what to use and when to use it. So I'm going to put it, warm it up in my palms, and I'm just going to massage it. I'm just going to wipe it off everything. Because of the kids' busy schedule, I couldn't really take care of my skin, so this is after a really long time I'm doing a facial or something. I feel really fresh, and I feel all my tan and everything is gone, so it's just amazing. So the Flawless Papaya Massage Cream is done, and I already see the result amazingly. And the fourth and the last step is Flawless Papaya Pack, a firming pack that leaves your skin even toned, clear and glowing. So this is Polish Flawless Papaya Pack. I'm gonna use this. Be around 5 minutes, and I'll show you the final result. A bit itchy around my nose and here because of maybe acne. So I'm going to wipe it off all the face pack. They have amazing lot of different as I have shown you in the beginning of the video, like glowing gold. This is also amazing. Really happy with the result. As you can see, my face has become really glowy, and all the tan has gone, and I'm really loving right now. And if you're a busy mom and you have a busy schedule and busy with the kids like me, just go for it. It's really affordable, and you just love it. And it has also, as I shown, step-by-step instructions on the back, so it's really easy if you're a beginner too. So yeah, just amazing. And please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.